Hi lazy coders. So today we are going to do one more question on LeetCode. So yeah, we will start. So this is palindrome number. Yesterday we did two sum. So we will do palindrome number today. So first of all, what is palindrome number? So palindrome. So if we it's again an easy question. So we are doing easy question first. So given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So first of all, what is palindrome number? So for palindrome number, first we will go, suppose if we have 1 to 1, and if we reverse this number, so if we reverse, so from here, so first is 1, so we will write 1, then 2, then 3, so 1. So if you see, so we reverse this number, so it's equal to exactly this number. And suppose if we have any number 1 2 3, so we will write 3, then we write 2, and then we will write 1. So it's not equal to 1 2 3. So you got it, it's a reverse. If we do reverse of that number, it needs to be equal to that number only. So that's a palindrome number, or anything, means even in string also, if we reverse that string, so it's equal to that exact string. Yeah, so we'll read example. So input is x equals to 1 to 1, so true, output is true. Yeah, so as we see in examples, 1 to 1 read as 1 to 1 from left to right and from right to left only. Moving to second example, x equals to minus 1 to 1, so yeah, it's not false, because if we read it from left to right, so it reads minus 1 to 1, but from left to right it's 1 to 1 minus, therefore it's not a palindrome number. Moving to third example, x equals to 10, false. Its output is also false, because if we read it from last, so 0 1, it's not equal to 10, so therefore it's not a palindrome number. Yeah, so one more thing they have given us, follow up, could you solve it without converting the integer into a string? So what they are saying, don't convert this integer value x into a string. Convert without doing that, you need to solve this one. So yeah, we will start this solution. So it's a boolean return type. For this method, we will do one thing. First, we will declare one more int temp equals to x. So we have taken one temporary variable in which we have put the value of x. So we will start one while loop, while temp greater than 0. So we are checking if temp is greater than 0, till that our while loop will work. So we'll do one thing, int y, x is already, so we take y equals to temp mod 10. So we have taken temp mod 10, means if our value is 121, so we have taken 121 mod 10 and put that value in y. So temp equals to temp divide by 10. So we updated value of temp by 10, means we, suppose what happened, let me show you. First I will write and then I will show you, and then we will do one thing, sum equals to sum into 10 plus y. We are writing y, and then we will return sum equals to x. If our sum equals to x, so we need to declare sum int sum equals to 0. Yeah, so I will show you what we did inside while loop. So suppose if let me erase this one. So yeah, our x value equals to 121. So what we did, if you see, we did y equals to temp mod 10. So 121 mod 10 equals to y equals to 1, because it will give us reminder. Now what we did, we divide temp by 10. So if we divide temp by 10, so temp value equals to 12 now, because it's divided by 10. Now what we did, we put sum value is 0, so 0 into 0, 0 plus y, so it's equals to 1. So sum equals to 1. Now again, if you see our while value, temp value is 12, so it's greater than 0. Yes, it's greater than 0. Then again we came inside loop. So again temp mod 10. So temp, what is value of temp now? 12. Temp, it's mod 10. So what's the reminder? 2. So y value is 2 now. And now we divide temp by temp, divide by 10. So if we divide 12 by 10, so it is 1 only, so it's deleted 1. And now sum equals to sum into 10 and plus y. So sum value is 1 into 10, it's 10 plus y value is 2, so it's equals to 12. Now moving to again here, so temp value is 1. So is it greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. So again temp mod 10. So it will give us reminder of 1. So y equals to 1. And if you divide 1 by 10, so it will give you 0. And yeah, some value is 12 now. So if you do 12 into 10, so it's 120 plus 1. So equals to 121. And our temp value is 0. So now what, temp is greater than 0? No, it's not greater than 0, it's equals to 0, so it's came here. So now what we check, sum equals to 0. So what's the value of sum now? 121. So if you see 121 equals to x, yes, it's equal to x, so it will return true. So now we will run test cases. Yeah, so all test cases got accepted. If you see, we will submit this one. Yes, so it beats 84.41